Welcome to the Media Creator channel. Today I'm going to show how to enlarge a picture without distorting the image. Let's start with the first photo. Hover over the layer, hold down the Alt key, and when this icon appears, click on it. We've chosen the perimeter of the photo, now we're going to turn it over. Right-click and click the Select Inverse key. Right-click again and enter the Fill menu. In the menu that opens, select the Content Aware option, and press OK. Wait a bit. And the photo is ready. As you can see, the spots have formed quite a lot. Let's fix these. Yes, it was perfect. Let's move on to the other photos. Subscribe to my channel and press the like key. See you in the next video.